Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fractionated coconut oil is probably one of the most versatile natural oils you can have. It's a clear, odorless liquid derived from coconut oil, known for its long shelf life and numerous applications. Whether you're into DIY skincare, aromatherapy, or just looking for a natural carrier oil, this video will break down everything you need to know about fractionated coconut oil, its benefits, and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. Viva Naturals Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil. This fractionated coconut oil is made from fresh, organic coconuts. It's 100% pure, hexane-free, USDA organic certified, non-GMO, and not tested on animals. It's ultra-hydrating and easily absorbed, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth and nourished. Apply it as a moisturizer after a shower or use it as a massage oil. It leaves no greasy residue. Need a moisturizing boost for dry hair? Mix a few drops into your shampoo for extra hydration. Or, use it as a leave-in conditioner for shiny, healthy-looking hair. It's the perfect carrier oil for essential oils. It's an ideal base for all your DIY beauty recipes, from hair serums to moisturizers and massage oils. This light and nourishing 100% pure coconut oil is the perfect addition to any beauty routine. Use it as a moisturizing body oil, or blend it into your homemade lotions, aftershave, lip balms, makeup remover, and more. What we like? This product is USDA organic certified, ensuring purity and quality. It's ultra hydrating, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. If you're looking for a versatile, plant-based beauty product for your skin and hair, this is the one for you. What people say. It does a fantastic job of moisturizing my hair and skin without feeling greasy, making it an essential carrier oil in my routine. It's also great as a massage oil with antibacterial properties as a win all around. I really appreciate that it comes with a pump, because fractionated coconut oil is notoriously runny, and this one is no exception. The pump makes it easy to control the amount I dispense and helps keep things neat. Number 4. Fractionated Coconut Oil Mixing Kit. This fractionated coconut oil is perfect for diluting essential oils. It helps to reduce the strength of the oils while keeping the scent gentle for sensitive skin. Rich in caprylic acid, this organic oil provides deep moisturization. It's suitable for both skin and hair, leaving them soft and nourished. This fractionated coconut oil remains in liquid form at room temperature. With its extended shelf life, you can rely on it for everyday use. This carrier oil is perfect for blending with essential oils. It's ideal for massages, skincare routines, and hair treatments, providing versatile usage. The package includes 16 ounces of fractionated coconut oil, roller bottles, caps, a funnel, and a cap opener. It has everything you need for convenient essential oil mixing and storage. What we like? This fractionated coconut oil is odorless and colorless, perfect for essential oil dilution. It comes with a complete mixing kit, including roller bottles and a funnel. If you are looking for a convenient kit for mixing essential oils, this is a great choice. It provides everything you need. What people say. Smooth oil with pleasant smell. Roller tubes are high quality. Comes with everything you need to start mixing. Number 3. Plant Therapy Fractionated Coconut Oil. This oil is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants, making it a great moisturizer. It's colorless and odorless, and it always remains in liquid form. This makes it perfect for various uses. It's lightweight, quick absorbing, and unscented, making it ideal on its own or as a carrier for essential oils. It can moisturize skin, remove makeup, and keep hair smooth and shiny without feeling greasy. This product is very versatile. This oil readily penetrates the skin, making it perfect for essential oil blends, creams, and lotions. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy feeling. It's a great way to keep your skin hydrated. Use it as a hair mask, scalp serum, or hair oil to hydrate, smooth, and create shine. It can also help with hair growth when used in these ways. This is a great product for your hair. It's non-greasy, penetrates the skin quickly, and provides a smooth glide. It's also one of the most inexpensive and readily available carrier oils. This makes it the perfect carrier oil to dilute your favorite essential oils. It can be used in DIY projects for lip balms, toothpaste, deodorant, makeup remover, essential oil roll-ons, massage oil, hair masks, shaving cream, foaming hand soap, and many other body care and household uses. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This product is 100% pure and quickly absorbed, making it ideal for various uses. It's a versatile carrier oil, perfect for diluting essential oils. If you are looking for a non-greasy and effective carrier oil for your essential oil blends, you should consider this. What people say. It is colorless, odorless, sinks in quickly, and is non-staining. It completely removed all my makeup, has no odor and does not require much product to work. Fractionated coconut oil does have anti-inflammatory properties, making it a good all-around carrier oil. Number 2. Maple Holistics Coconut Oil, Hair, Skin, Nails. This highly absorbent oil is packed with fatty acids. It deeply hydrates the skin and works great as a makeup remover or full body massage oil. Try this MCT fractionated coconut oil for mixing with essential oils. Pair it with your favorite Maple Holistics essential oils to unlock endless DIY beauty possibilities. This refined coconut oil moisturizes strands from root to tip. It helps create thicker, shinier, and more voluminous looking hair that is sure to impress. Embrace this hydrating coconut oil for your whole body. Use it as your next shaving oil or facial moisturizer for dry skin. It has anti-aging properties. We believe in using real ingredients for real results. That is why we are proud to be a leading name in pure natural oils for personal care that the whole family can enjoy. What we like. This product is highly absorbent and packed with fatty acids for deep hydration. It's an MCT fractionated coconut oil, perfect for mixing with essential oils. If you're looking for a moisturizer for your hair, skin, and nails, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great after your shower. To keep skin moist. Also does a great job on hair and nails. Not greasy. Absorbed easily by skin. I use this product as a carrier for essential oils and also as a moisturizer. It is not too heavy or greasy. It rubs in well and leaves my skin soft, smooth and hydrated. It applies easily to wet or dry skin and leaves the skin feeling very moisturized without the oily texture. Number 1. Verdana Organic Coconut MCT Oil, 1 gallon. Don't settle for less. This bulk size offers great value. You'll get all the benefits of coconut oil without the freezing issue, and it has a long shelf life. Verdana's containers are just as impressive as the product itself. They are food grade and come with a tamper-evident seal. You no longer have to worry about inadequate containers with this product. Fractionated coconut oil, or MCT oil, is a great way to get large concentrations of medium-chain triglycerides. It's 100% pure, colorless, and odorless, with a very long shelf life. It stays liquid at room temperature. Whether you're manufacturing food, aromatherapy products, or skin products, this vegan MCT oil is perfect for your needs. It's versatile and easy to use. This liquid coconut oil product is also great as an oil-pulling rinse mouthwash. It's a simple and effective way to freshen your mouth. What we like. This product allows you to buy in bulk, providing great value. It comes in food-grade containers with a tamper-evident seal. If you are looking for a large quantity of high-quality MCT oil for your keto or paleo diet, you should consider it. What people say. I use this coconut oil on the leg feather of my draft horse to moisturize and condition the hair. In the winter it also helps to keep thick mud from sticking to the leg and feather. This is a great quality coconut MCT oil. Great product. My go-to cooking oil, when I need a bit of oil instead of cooking spray. Does not add coconut flavor. MCT has massive health benefits, i.e. brain food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.